Here you have more packages, one from Amazon, one from eBay. First I'm gonna unbox the Amazon one. The shipping label off of each package. So this is a kicker, high level to low level line output. I needed this because my amp does not have a pre-out or subwoofer output, so I needed this. Definitely don't need a new preamp anytime soon. I'm gonna use my Sony LVT V550 as a preamp for the subwoofer. I'm eventually gonna add an external amplifier and still use the Sony receiver as a preamp. I like the EQ functions, it sounds really good. But anyways, that's it. Looks very nice. I set that aside because I think it's in perfect condition for that. I don't think it's like affecting like the module at all, or the circuitry or whatever. Maybe. Plus, it's like hard to get that off the plastic piece. Just want to leave it as it is for now. Could always ask for a refund, but I highly doubt it's in terrible condition. So this big box. Gotta get all that tape off. Also, there's a shipping label in there. There's no shipping label for it actually. So this is like a projector. I don't think it works. They're saying it's 15 soda parts. I want to take this apart and probably like modify it and stuff. Pretty nice and heavy to. Maybe I can make it like a 4K projector, like an LED projector. That would be good for a huge project. There's a power cord. Yeah, one of the computer ones. I rarely have these. I needed one. For my Anchor speakers. They don't like really come with power cords. It has like that inlet thing. I like the power cord. It's better than the ones that are like attached to it. It's so cheap. I don't like that. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.